Hello everyone watching this video. Today I am going to discuss about the syllabus structure and paper pattern for your semester 5 exams. Semester 5 comprises of 4 papers: CC 3.5 CC3 5.1 CH, that is auditing and assurance; DSE 5.1A, that is economics and advanced business mathematics; CC 5.2 CH taxation, and DSE 5.2A corporate accounting. All papers are descriptive in nature, none is the MCQ. Auditing and assurance is theory, basically theory, full descriptive. So it covers concepts and needs and purpose of audit, audit procedure and techniques, audit risk and internal control system, vouching, verification and valuation, and other third areas. Economics and advanced business mathematics is of 50 marks. Now taxation आप लोग के सेमेस्टर 4 में भी था. First you have to complete the syllabus of semester 4, then you can do this. It comprises of direct and indirect both. Indirect consists of goods and service taxes and customs, and direct taxes comprise of computation of total income and tax payable and tax management. Next, corporate accounting. Corporate accounting में सबसे पहला चैप्टर कंपनी अकाउंटिंग है. कंपनी अकाउंटिंग में अकाउंटिंग फॉर इशू ऑफ शेयर्स एंड डिबेंचर्स होगा. अकाउंटिंग फॉर इशू ऑफ शेयर्स एंड डिबेंचर्स, कंपनी फाइनल अकाउंट्स, बायबैक एंड रिडेम्पशन ऑफ प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स, redemption of debentures, valuation of goodwill and shares, company merger and reconstruction. These are the chapters that has to be covered in your exams, for your exams. Next is economics and advanced business mathematics, comprised of economics, macroeconomics. Macroeconomics means national income accounting, determination of equilibrium level of national income, company commodity market and money market equilibrium. And mathematics comprise of derivatives and its application, limits and continuity, determinants and matrices. These are the chapters that needed to be covered for your semester 5 exams. So I hope all of you have got the chapters that needs to be covered. Within due time I shall try to cover all the syllabus. So hope all of you prepare for the best and score the best in your exams. Wishing all of you the best of luck for your exams. Thank you.